So if he himself orchestrated, so the team that was a traditional club, yes, near the car, as of Australia, the Air Force car, the Air Force plane to Kayin. Not that was standing, no. Was that from 2011 up to now, or my team no pay setters, say, team no educo, or not the designing, Togwena the designing, flotation of the shares.
Sure.
Or also the designing, developing the idea, say, young flow to the whole shares. But this is the requirement. It is injecting SYZ capital. It's something you orchestrated in your room. I wasn't aware. And then you come back and throw this money to enable House of Folk to go to stock exchange. Who brought the idea of House of Folk going to stock exchange? Kotoko stock exchange.
Maybe they don't want to run their club.
Yes. But Kotoko Agu as compared to House. Mediama or stock exchange. Bechem FC or stock exchange. Aduana or stock exchange. It is not an issue. It has not been a burden of Ghana management of any club. Yes, it is the ideal of the day. But yenyan druho ye. Na yenyan druho as a 2011. Na House of Folk ye bad as at the time ye did team ni man. House of Folk shares.
But na muni secretariat, Papa. Na muni clubhouse. Na muni training pitches.
Medical that is the fault of House of Folk. Yes, meti ase. But then no, bringing all those on board, no. How far has it impacted the House of Folk failing stadium to people for?
It's a matter of time.
It's a matter of how long. 11 years of investment, 13 years of investment as a businessman.
Do you feel House of Folk could be competitive in Africa again? For instance,
never.
They go and win the Champions League in your time. Can they win the Confederations Cup again?
Because we cannot have the team.
We are pessimists.
No, we don't have the team. I don't foresee having the team. Chirame, as a journalist, another kwa. I had to folk yabo back to back crowd stadium da. Yana bese wo. Yabo 2 times, yabo second back. Yabo second. That wa stadium. Now who feeling it to say? Because as a folk board, na kwa jesi. Go your bias commentary. It's the say team bo. Some players, no, I the boy at that time, no. Chairman Bako has to focus to speak. From Togo 2011 up to today, only one player about House of Folk. Imagine, 13 years is Mahatma Utu. Apart from Mahatma, Chairman House of Folk player very popular. Chairman one. Mahatma Krani Castle because they be any ho. Mahatma free of course Switzerland. Where is Mahatma?
Oh, so Banya Munina Besinko.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Salifu Ibrahim Munina.
Master free Banya under our regime no will not be even be. I'm sorry to say with all due respect. That was not the cream of House of Folk players that we're talking about. Every year Banya okay free house over here.
Or Switzerland, FC.
Also FC next then no. Come on, please, Nana. Let's be realistic here.
How will House of Folk rise to become competitive again?
They cannot. And then I make a choice. Say the team, the selection team, the management that should give a technical eye.
We didn't be on the league table, no sir.
Oh yeah, then has. Say you are winning by 4 matches, pay.
Much 12 was the same.
And no, is it different from last year? Is it different from last 2 years? Last 3 years? Do you remember? Say 4 years.
Okay, much 8 more 12 points. 12 more we need 3 games.
3
more
games.
Lose 3.
Can you imagine?
And more draw 3.
Can you imagine? Is that House of Folk that you're talking about? Samates ahead of us, Gold Stars ahead of Stars, whatever. Me teams in maybe ready House of Folk only Ghana web on Monday morning. Now my share baby, you share you do ye. Is it nice? It is not nice because say, Nana, you and I know. House of Folk, you call for Anthony Annan. Up to today, you're in trouble in the cracker. You're in trouble in Yanaka under my regime, our regime. But the boy came and played at his heart. You call for Coleman, you're in Triani Kenui. You call for Ajimendria, you're in Triano. You're in House of Folk. Time now you're 2 at Grass Sports Stadium 2008. Now, that was S. Na omo ye stadium no
na mo ko Cape Coast no
near Mokebo near Obuasi
boss
okay there near
St George's musisi wo ma mo mu yi o mo free Champions League
ka ba be record am catch you say when twem
so one journalist being in Ras Stadium that day there was no radio commentary no TV coverage
Lemfa o camera bi am all the camera ba twes can never cover mususu mu ntwa na so mo hwe
because na mo ko sisi Ethiopia for
because you call Ethiopian under 10 minutes no ma share 4
and I have musumu yo mden
ya mo musuo ma no yes you call you no musuo you call only dankwe and I need 11 players of St. George. Next one share 20. Ono na anum suo ni bi. Young management idi a chekwa in Ethiopian Stadium. Aye Addis Ababa Sports Stadium. Oko first level as VIPs. First level yen as young as some of us were at that time. The team for first floor through 2 steps so jana home. Wabre. It's not about the altitude. It's not about jet lag. It's about what they did. In Dromba has in a dome called Boasino. Ensure no, Bibia no, it's okay. These are things that House of Folk did. That is what I manage. But we're talking about soccer. What can I go? And they draw there, forget about House of Folk on your magic, be on your magic. The administration, we knew and we know. Oh, forget me. No, I don't worship those toys. Toys, House of Folk near Drew baby. We work with what psychology. We were psychologists. We didn't go jaba. Refugee no Benino.
Kofi Koja.
Kofi Koja bedi match with him got you say. Obeda golden till that was the Ghana Finance Hotel. Obamano Bude you. What I say? This administration won't to me yet. Yabama Kofi Koja ba.
Say no mobile.
Yeni anyimba. Masa.
A primitive practice.
Masa. Primitive practice is what is going on today. Barcelona winning the match is easy. Bayern Munich coming win. In soccer, I'm telling you, that you're a young man, you're sitting behind the console for long on soccer. Anything that has to do with soccer in the whole part of the world is a fake. It's a game. It's a business. When the match is over, it's over. You remember AFCON? Google when we had the AFCON. AFCON in Tunisia. Which companies were sacked? And your woman are Abakroma say no. Betting companies. They came from Singapore. Have you forgotten? CAF forecast said the betting companies about Tunisia. And Yama only betting company match nibi. Who are the sponsors of AFCON today? Is that not betting companies? Superbet. So therefore, in soccer, it's after the whistle 90 minutes, the game is over. Share me any country in the world, share me any club in the world that one celebrating the cup, say Brazil G World Cups, and then they trace war celebrating Brazil World Cup. Nothing. Share me Bayern Munich there, or then the cup was also celebrating nothing. Share me Barca, share me Madrid. Football is just about on the field, go, there can be a resource hands in the balance. Nothing comes out of it. It is a game of passion. All what you need and you and I need, is the shouting and screaming of goal. Then on your own. Uko jina basa wenya na joko trasu eye de doko tu kawia basa then on your own. Nothing. Omo manage omu invest omu sika omu nenyeska. Minu mi no ego na akwa pressure.